So, hello guys, good evening. So, before I will take my sleep, I need to discuss the answers from the activity. So, these are the different questions that had been put in our Google form, wherein only 17 answered this activity, maybe because of internet connection. So based on the program that I use, so there were 3 students who garnered garnered 100% in the trust score po. So they were, I should say, Paikana Jovil Carino, Kawili Kate Sagni, Abubakar Amira Sunor. So, paano nakukompute po itong 100% trust score po? So, based on this add-on, so, chine-check niya po kung nag-browse po tayo ng YouTube like that, internet, or other sources from the equipment that we are using. And aside from that, nag-detect niya din po kung may kausap ka or maingay ang paligid mo po. So, ganun po siya mag-score po sa trust score po. Kaya nga po, as much as possible, if lahat po may internet connection, like Converge, PLDT, like that, and others na stable, maganda po itong gamitin na program po. So, I need to discuss the answer po. So, I will use the answers of Miss Kawili Kate Sagne, because when I checked the papers of Paikana and Abubakar, they did not perfect the activity, while Kawili Kate Sagne, the score was 10/10. So this is the paper that I will use, or this is the form that I will use for. Okay, so 2 plus 5 plus 5/2, the answer is 2 and 9/10. For 2/5 minus 5/2, the answer is negative 1/10. For another, okay, so another computation, 2/5 times 5/2, that is 1. Next one, 2/5 divided by 5/2, that is 4/25. Next one, 2/5 plus 6/5, that is 1 and 3/5. 2/5 minus 6/5, that is negative 4/5. 2/5 times 6/5, that is 12/25. Next one, 2/5 divided by 6/5, that is 1/3. 1 and 2/5 divided by 1 and 6/5, that is 7/11. Next one, 1 and 2/5 multiplied by 1 and 6/5, that is 3 and 2/25. So I hope through the discussion that I discussed kanina po, from 11 to 2, may natutunan po kayo how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide fraction. Same with the topics on percents and decimal. So I will repeat again po paano po niya na-compute ang 2/5 plus 2/2. The denominators are not the same, so as much as possible you need to compute for the LCD. The LCD of the two terms is, what's that again? 10. Yes po. Okay, so 10 divided by 5, that is 2 times 2, that is 4. So 4/10 plus 10 divided by 2, that is 5 times 5, 25. So 25 plus 4, that is 29. And what's that again? Mixed number of it is 2 and 9 over 10. That is the lowest term for that numbers. Okay. 2 over 5 minus 5 over 2. So 4 minus 25. Yes po, 21 over 10 po. So negative po kasi mas malaki po yung pangalawa po. The number that we deducted from the first number po. Next one, multiplication. So numerator, you need to multiply. Denominator, you need to multiply. And what's that again? Get the lowest term after multiplying those numbers po. And the answer is 1. How do we compute for the numbers from division po? You need to get the reciprocal of the second term. 2 over 5. Then proceed to multiplication po. Times 2 over 5. So 2 times 2, 4. 5 times 5, 25. For like terms, you need only to add the numerator and remain po the denominator. So 8 over 5. Then you need to reduce it to its lowest term. For subtraction, same po. So 2 minus 6, that is negative 4. So remain the denominator, which is 5, since like terms. For multiplication, multiply the numerator and denominator, then reduce it to its lowest term if possible po. For division, you need to get the reciprocal of the second one, then proceed to multiplication and reduce to its lowest term if possible po. For number 9 and number 10, so you need to convert that into improper, then proceed to the operation. So dito is division for number 9. So you need to get the reciprocal of this one, then proceed to multiplication po. So the improper of this one is 5 times 1, 5, plus 2, 7. So 7 over 5 divided by 1 and 6 over 5. 5 times 1 plus 6, that is 11 over 5. 7 times 5, that is 35. 5 times 11, that is 55. Kaya ang sagot, reduce it to lowest term, is 7 over 11 po. Same with the procedures ba dito? So multiplication, by the way, yung isa. So you do not need to get the reciprocal of this one. So 7 over 5 times 11 over 5. So 5 times 5, 25. So check po. Then 77 po yung numerator po. Then it can be reduced to its lowest term po, which is in mixed number po. 3 and 2 over 25. So I hope sa mga hindi po nakasagot, nakuha din natin ang sagot na ito, because these are the correct answers. So by the way, there were 17 students who took this activity po using the autoproctor. Okay, so I need to tell the class score. Apaniego 94%, Daro 82%, Ignacio 75%, Saludares 73%, Bisu Catherine 73%, De La Cruz Camila Habab 72%, Arwigo Irene, Kay Lopez 71%, Kindara Mia Liwanag 65%, Jane Cabida 61%, Mos Casilen Faye De Vera 50%. So those are some of the students